coming to you live 9:28 in the PM, late night hours, Friday. There's a curfew on the town, city right now, 8 o'clock. I'm trying to get home, so of course I gotta be defiant like, cause I gotta get home. I was watching What Power, cause I had not seen the final season. Yeah, I know, stupid, dumb, just like the third season, cause I'm mad. But yeah, I'm trying to get home now, and the weather really isn't that bad. The rain isn't like heavy, and the rain hasn't been persistent or anything. It's been raining on and off. It's hot as all get out. Lord knows it is hot outside. It is real hot, and that in itself is just woo. But I'm going home, and I'm going to kick back and just chill and see what happens. There still hasn't been any any bad news as far as the storm is concerned since it's hit Florida. They're just without power and everything, which is expected. The power did go out. It flickered, it went out, it came back on, it went back out again, but it came right back on. So and it wasn't even raining at that time. So I don't even know if that's like a mandatory thing that they'll be doing. I guess if the winds pick up, maybe they'll just turn the power off altogether and what have you. But as of now, the winds are not heavy. We just have rain, that's it. The roads don't look flooded or anything so far. So that's a great sign, because it's already 9:30 and the storm is like right off of Jacksonville at the moment. So that's a great sign for us, because by the time it hits Charleston, it's said to be a Category 2. So that's, even though it's still not good, it's way better than a Category 4 by all means. So I'm gonna keep you guys updated, and as always, everybody pray for each other. God bless. And barbecue still gets cooked even through the storm. It's 2 o'clock in the morning. The rain na fall. That's the rain off the roof. It drizzle. Matter of fact, yeah, it's drizzling. The rain ain't really heavy or nothing like that. It feels good out here. It's not hot. It feels good. So far, so good. Power went off and came right back on. The wind is blowing a little bit. Y'all can't see none of that. But however, we're still standing. Okay, so another update before I try to go to sleep. It's like 3:49 a.m. You can hear a little of the howling of the wind, but it's really not heavy winds. It was enough to blow over the little chair, but other than that, we had like a rumble in the sky about an hour ago. It sounded like thunder or something like that, but that's pretty much it. The wind feels good, but it's not real bad, thankfully, and the rain isn't bad, thankfully. I'm looking in the yard, and I can see where if we were on low lands, it probably would be like an inch of rain settled, but it's really not settled. We still have power. It didn't flicker off or anything like that, but I'm gonna try to go to sleep. I sure am. But like I said, you can hear it. Okay, it sounds like it's picking up now. Yeah. It's picking up a little bit. But nothing major still. Good. That's great, actually. What's that I hear? That's a car. Let me cut my light off. Ain't even nobody to see me. Oh yeah, that's the vehicle. Let me cut my light off. Somebody in the truck. Wide open. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank the good Lord it's not worse. I'm gonna watch another video or two, and hopefully I can get some sleep. And hopefully when I wake up, all will be well still. It's currently 11:45 a.m. The hurricane has just reached land in McClellanville. The winds have picked up. It's not hot anymore. There's been some flash flood warnings. The rain has been insistent like this pretty much all morning. The winds are picking up. It's cold out here. It really is. And now, we just wait. It's gonna be a long day. A long day. 12:44. I heard something crack, and I do believe it. I'm hoping it's just that limb. I'm hoping that tree does not. But what I'm gonna do is move this car, and the power is officially out. Matthew, you go with him, yes sir. And I want you around, yes sir. If the ditches were drained, we wouldn't have this crap. Man. Push me. See, they need to drain all of this. They won't have to worry about it filling up. I'm glad the rain stopped. You can see everybody's ditches filling up though. Always used to hear that the wind in a hurricane sounds like a train. And it does. It sounds like heavy traffic. So, Verizon is giving us unlimited data, unlimited text, unlimited everything. But guess what? Verizon, your service sucks. I could barely get a text to go through. So what good is unlimited data? Now, if you carry on this unlimited everything throughout the month of October, then you're in one with me. But right now, you blow. Okay, so it's 2:29 in the PM. And trees have finally fell in the road. Gonna attempt to move some of them. Don't need for nobody to come through here and mess up the cars or nothing. So, I'm gonna attempt to move these out of the road. Not that, because that's alright. We're gonna try to move this bigger one out of the way. quite some while. And as you see, this vehicle going through, you have people that are moving on this highway because it's a main highway, and you're just trying to get it out the way because you have EMS and everything that needs to get through. But that's just how it is. And see, they trying to move because they know this is the main highway. That's just how it is right here. Just stay on this side. As much as you possibly can, because here in this county, everybody needs to pull their own weight, because if you wait on our county to do it for you, you'll be waiting. So that's pretty much why I was out there trying to do that. And poor fella, he ain't do no better out there with that, because it's still out there. But however, at least you can still, it's manageable enough that you can get through in the event that EMS or anybody needs to get through. I thought it was over. I'm hoping. I think it's on the back end though, because it's really not raining. It's just a lot of wind. So, okay, they going through fast. Car already raggedy. You see that? Car go red. Now that truck is fool. You got fool people that's on the road. They don't need to be on the road. Fool up, car raggedy already, front end gone, bags in the windows. Let me take my rump back in my seat. I don't know who that was just now in that old tail beat up Explorer. But see, you got people like that too that's out here looking for an insurance check. See, people gonna get what you're looking for. Come through, turn around at the church and come back through wide open. I tell out and start running because I ain't want, man, look here. People, look at that. They riding around fast like it ain't nothing. Now, if I'd put the tree back out there, they were. Look at that. Fast. Them old people. Y'all know better. Now imagine had that just, you know what? It is what it is. That's what we got to deal with. Yeah, that is a big one right there. Ooh, that bad boy came up. Ooh. Oh yeah. This water's fairly high. Oh shoot, this water too high back here. I can't go no further. Okay, it ain't taking long to come through.
Well, I see the big truck across.
Get this done. Williamsburg County, we gotta come together. We gotta come together. Don't y'all know them sap suckers just cut a little piece? Now look what we gotta do.
I'm gonna make sure they drive through.
See that? They dirty now. They leave all the real work to us.
Exactly.
Sap suckers. Crikey, we're amongst the elements. Trying to maintain. Woo! Excuse me. Matthew's taking a toll on me and my immune system. He's gotten me with the sneeze now, the sniffles. Get to work. That's what I'm talking about.
Oh, Brina wanna be nosy. I gotta keep telling this story.
I ain't know why you got to tell my business.
Wanna be nosy.
Oh yeah, we good. No, that's good. But you can't get the car truck out though. Oh man, the old lady sitting down there, sitting down. Sitting down. I just sitting down on the corner of the road. You know where to go. You know what side to go.
Yeah. Batteries for
6 o'clock in the PM, gonna try to attempt to go out. 6 o'clock in the PM, gonna try to go out here and see what this world is looking like. That's all the water.
Yeah, that was smart though for them to cut it
In the middle.
in the middle, yeah. Somebody was smart. That tree just missed their house. Look how it's uprooted right
I
there.
see. And this is up the street. This ain't even a mile up the street from the house.
Looks like they got FEMA in the yard now.
Oh. Can we get through? Oh, that's emergency services up there, Robert. I got the weights. I'm gonna drive right here.
Yeah, watch that wire now.
Oh, I ain't even gonna see that.
You get the car?
Just miss it.
Yeah, it did to get the mirror. Yep, that's enough insurance. A good part job, Mark is the best.
And that is where this trip ends. Can't go no. Oh, they power line. Now don't that beat all. Ain't this a bowl of grits? We can't go nowhere. Trap! Trap, I say. Power lines down. That road is flooded. Trees down everywhere. Ooh, from the rooter to the tuber. This yard always flood. You can just get a little rain and that yard gonna flood.
That John crack you up, boy. I tell you.
So yeah, the power line is down. Okay.
Oh, look how big it is. It's right here.
Okay, I can't see. Oh, you got the full rainbow.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. The rainbow need to bring some light though.
God's covenant.
It's a double rainbow.
Mm-hmm.
Now the question
That he
is,
was not destroyed by water again. Just a reminder.
where is? Can we get there?
Yeah, it's wide enough.
Everybody just cutting just enough to get through the road, boy. Oh no, you can't get. No, you can't get through here.
Yeah, if you go in the grass.
I ain't got to do all that. I'm good. It's a good thing it didn't fall in the opposite direction. Lucky. Blessed. Yeah. We came to the end of the road on this one again. Oh,
That looked like a bridge or something.
That's done flooded again.
That's running water.
Yeah, that's a flood. Get out and walk and see that. You ain't going no closer than this right here. Huh? Man, we gonna be without.
I'm nervous now.
You said what? No, I'm saying.
Too much bubbling when I move.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
We reckon. Yeah, that's flooded out right there.
That's a lot of water.
Yeah. Yeah, Gator, we won't be no food for you today. Hey, y'all ain't get to work?
Wow.
Got to evacuate.
You serious?
Yeah, you got to evacuate.
Stop that, bro.
I promise. This here road right here, everything is pretty much blocked off. Y'all ain't trying to get out?
No.
Yeah, you got to get out now because you be stuck. For real.
Give me the phone. Let me call Harry. What Harry working? Harry tell me. Harry, I know he told me say is stop playing, Brittany, y'all. I'm about to curse at.
So another day is done. Saturday is 7:42. Trees are down everywhere. Power is out. Now we just gotta recover. And Hurricane Matthew has came, conquered, and now gone. Now we just gotta get back. So I doubt if I will be vlogging anymore anytime soon, because we have no power, and I cannot be wasting my battery trying to vlog. So that being said, unless McDonald's opens up, and then we can see what we do from there. But other than that, I know it won't be as long as this. So until next time, y'all continue to pray for us and everybody that has been that has went through Matthew, especially Haiti. Lord knows, please send prayers up for Haiti, and just human race as a whole. Just let's all be prayerful for peace, some semblance of happiness, and a renewal of life on this side and on the next. Until next time.